Hello, and welcome to Plant Hunter TV. Today will be the last episode of this year. Autumn have started and it's getting cold. Today I'm going to show you around. I'm going to do a restoration, give this old summer house garden new life. It's overgrown. We just arrived. It's Friday evening. So now you can really see the house. Then another compost pile, and here we see the fence. I removed all the grapevines, only the mother tree left. Hopefully we can do like a trellis or something to let it climb up. The apple tree branch we removed, and here's the branch. Basically the only thing left to do on the garden is that part. But it's a lot of wasps and stuff, and I haven't really had time to get in there because there have been so much other stuff to make or to do. Here is a view from the other side. The house is behind me. Can really see under all the trees. The grass is short. The weeds are not that strong. And thank you to all of you that's been watching, following this progress. And the jungle that we worked on, it's really nice now. You can see under all trees, maybe a little bit left here and there. So now I'm going to start with the compost piles. We have a few of them and I need to turn them and put them in two piles. Right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Whoa, okay. Still fluffy, but it's a little bit more compact. It's heavy. So the first compost pile is finished. It's one pile now anyway, so let's go to the next one. Here's the big one, the mama compost. It was about shoulder height last time I put material on it, so it reduced in weight or size. I'm gonna start by like combing it out a little bit to see how the interior of it looks like, and then put it back in one pile. It's very compact and it's warmer, not like it's smoking. Whoa, there's some heat here. smoking a little bit. So I guess it's working. But it looks like some parts are really going anaerobic. Yeah. Oh my god. Who needs a gym when you have this? But this is fun. Just get an old dacha, old summer house. Dacha is summer house in Russia. I think I mixed it as much as I can, so I'll just put everything back and I hope it becomes soil for the garden, because we are planning on planting trees and bushes next spring, so we need soil, and we don't want to buy soil because we have so much material we can produce soil, but it needs to become soil. The compost pile is now back in the big size it was when I started it. Like, here are some branches, but they are basically too big to break down that fast. It's starting to become warm. That's a good thing. The process has started. In spring we will have soil to work with. Really happy. This season we are finished with most of the work. We have been pruning, cutting most of the grass, all the weeds, pruning the trees, selecting what material we want for bonsai. So this will be the last episode for 2021. I want to thank everybody that's been watching and commenting and liking, and all new subscribers and all old subscribers also. It's been fantastic because this is really fun. You see progress. I have done a playlist for all the videos of this. I will put that link in the description, so you can just go and check from the beginning if you missed any episodes. It's been super fun. Please like and subscribe, support what I am doing. Next year we're gonna plant some trees, bushes, flowers, a little bit of vegetables, different kinds of berries. So it's going to be a really exciting start of season next year. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook. I will continue to do more bonsai videos and garden videos, but this project is finished for this year. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.